Today we are discussing about the third task in TechnoHack Internship, in which we visualize our data using histogram or bar charts to see the distribution in the dataset. We are using ID species dataset in this task. Firstly, we upload our data using files.upload method. And then I'm importing the libraries that we have to use in this task. We are importing Pandas and IO for basic data cleaning, and Matplotlib for data visualization. And now we are saving our iris.csv dataset into data frame. And here you can see our dataset. It has 6 columns and 150 rows. Now I want you to see the data types of different columns in the dataset. That is helpful for visualization. As you can see, the 4 tables have numerical data, 5 tables have numerical data including ID, and species has non-numerical data. I am using histogram for numerical data and bar chart for non-numerical data. And I am creating bins of size 10, and edge color is set into black. K represents the black color, and alpha is 0.7. Alpha is the transparency of bars. And now I'm setting the X label and Y label in a title. X label is spiral length and Y label is frequency, and title is histogram of spiral length. That is edited because I think so in histogram I use HIS instead of HIST. So now our code is running. And here you can see the histogram of sepal length. And now I'm using the same code for sepal width. I'm just copy and pasting the whole code and replacing sepal length visible width column, while all the other things are same as we used for previous code. And now you can see the histogram of sepal width. Now I'm using the same code for petal width and petal length to see the distribution of petal column using histogram. Now we're using this code for petal length column. Now you can see the histogram of petal length centimeter. For non-numeric data like species column, I'm using bar chart. Firstly, we are defining species count column dataset for how many values in species column, and then we are creating a bar chart for it. For using bar chart, we firstly set species count index and species count values. It means that firstly we have given the in our rows we have given the name of the species, different kind of species. Like you can see that there are 3 species, different unique species in our species column. So using species count index, we find the name of these species, and species count values, we can find the how many values that lie in these 3 unique species. And we define it X label is species and Y label is frequency. And its title is set into distribution of species. And here's our bar chart for the 3 species that lie in species column, unique species that lie in species column. As you have seen that they all have 50 values, 50 values. This is the end of our task 3 in TechnoHack internship. If you wanted to make the dashboard of using all these 5 charts or histograms, you can do that, but I'm just simply making the chart of it. Thank you.